Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Tato, back again with recipes that make you wanna cook. On today's video, we are making this gorgeous, beautiful oxtail stew recipe. Stay tuned. Let's get started, guys, and as usual I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. Now here I have my oxtail that I did wash and patted dry. I also cut some incisions into the meat right to the bone. I do this just to make sure that all the flavor can have a chance to go inside the meat. As you can see, these are really big cuts of meat, okay? And I don't want to end up with a bland meat and a really great sauce. Now we're gonna go ahead and marinate our meat. I'm going to add some crushed garlic and ginger and black pepper. I'm also gonna go in with my spicy Shisanyama seasoning spice. And the Poitjie seasoning spice, guys. This spice is everything and more. It is so good. Oh, they did a number here. I'm also gonna go ahead and add some chutney. Now this is also going to help with the browning along with the Worcestershire sauce that we're also going to add. A deepened brown color is what we are looking for, right? So all this is going to help achieve that. Now after you marinate your meat, you want to go ahead and massage everything into it, and then we're gonna cover it and let it marinate in the refrigerator for a minimum of an hour up to overnight. Now after your meat has been marinating, you're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of oil into your pot, and then you're gonna go ahead to brown your meat on both sides until golden brown. Now, I do want to say that this pot is not the best for cooking, but honey, I just gotta work with what I got, okay? I have to make it work. Now, go ahead and fry up the rest of your meat, and if you feel like you want to reduce a little bit of the oil, please do so. After that, you want to go ahead and add your chopped onion and saute that for another 2 to 3 minutes until translucent. Now you want to go ahead and add 2 medium tomatoes that are just grated up. Mix that in there and saute for another 2 minutes. Go ahead and add your mixed bell peppers and some tomato paste. and then you want to let them cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then you're gonna go ahead and add your fennel seeds. You're also gonna go ahead and add some thyme and rosemary, but it's not such a bummer. If you do have Italian herbs or mixed herbs, you can absolutely use them instead. Now you're gonna go ahead and add your spicy Shisanyama and your Poitjie seasoning spice again, just to ensure that the sauce is also enriched with the spices as well. And also there's not much a need to add salt because the spices have salt, and we're also gonna use some stock which also has salt, so everything is just salted up, unless if you taste and you feel like you need a little bit of oil of salt, you can absolutely add a little more. You're gonna go and let that simmer for another 3 to 4 minutes, and then you're gonna go ahead and add your red wine. You want to use your Carbernet Sauvignon or Merlot. That is the best wines to pair with cooking your red meat. You're gonna go ahead and let that simmer for another 3 to 5 minutes, and you're gonna go ahead and add your meat in there, cover it in that beautiful sauce, honey, and you're going to cover it and let it simmer without adding any stock for about 10 minutes, because you want to give the meat a chance to release its own water in the honey. After 10 minutes, that's when we're gonna come back and add our stock as per needed. Look at that gorgeousness, honey. Look at that browning. Ooh, gorgeous, guys. Close it and simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is how it looks. As you can see, there's quite a little bit of liquid in the pot released by the meat, guys, and it's so beautiful. And it's at this point, it smells so good. It smells so good. You're gonna go ahead and make sure that nothing is burnt at the bottom. As you can see, one side of the pot was kind of drying up, so mix that together. And then you're gonna go ahead and add your stock to cover the meat. You're gonna close your pot and let the meat cook for 2 hours, minimum of 2 hours to 3 hours. Now, honey, you just gotta be patient, okay? If you want full of the bone, okay, rich flavor, okay, just be patient. Go read a book or something, okay? Just make sure that you add enough stock. Once it comes to a simmer like this, go ahead and close the pot and simmer away, honey, and relax, okay? The hard work is done. This is this is after about 2.5 hours, guys. At this point, I was really frustrated because load shedding, guys. So, honey-ish, we're chasing time right here, literally. So this is after about 2.5 hours, guys. It looks so gorgeous. It smells so beautiful. I did go ahead and remove some of the oil because, as you can see, these were fatty pieces of meat, so it did render a lot of fat into the sauce. So I had to remove quite a bit of oil in there. I did do that. You can decide also if you want to do that, but I did. And yeah, as you can see, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's ready to indulge, honey. I hope you tried the recipe. Please give it a like, show me some love in the comments, and I'll show you back some love, honey, okay? And beautiful, right? Beautiful. Now this is 3 hours in. This is 3 hours in. As you can see, the sauce is really rich. It's thick, it's beautiful. The meat, guys, oh. Please try the recipe, guys. I hope you try it, and I will see you on the next one.